It's getting late, but let's do an oil change on my BMW 540. Decided to go with the Liqui Moly 5W-40 Leichlauf. I have to say like German, you know, Leichlauf, high tech. And before y'all come at me, yes, I know BMW suggests that we use OW20, but I live in Central Florida, so the 5W-40 works just as good for me. All you need to do this job is a 17mm socket, 32mm oil filter socket, an extension, a ratchet, and a drain container. Picked this up from Walmart a couple years ago, maybe like $20. You could get yourself one. I'm gonna go ahead and twist this cover off. That should give you access to the bolt right there. Grab your drain pan. Get your oil filter socket. While it's draining, you could go ahead and loosen that up. Oil filter is out. The new oil filter kit should come with a washer for the drain plug. Go ahead and get that on. And also a gasket for the oil filter cover. Actually, I'm gonna clean that up. Bad man not spill. Start up. So now all we have to do is get your car in diagnostic mode. The start button 3 times. There's a button on the speedometer. You want to go ahead and hold it down until you see the engine thing comes up. There you go. As you can see, I did mine. So what you're gonna do is let it go, then hold it again for another maybe like 10 seconds until you see reset successful, and that's it.